We just heard the thunder.
We did. Rumbles as promised.
Yeah. Rumbles as promised. We've got lightning, we've got wind, we've got everything across Northeast Ohio. And we've got a lot of counties that are under some sort of alert at this moment in time. Not only do we have a severe thunderstorm watch, that's that area that's shaded in yellow on your screen. That's for most of our lakeshore counties, and that is until 7 p.m. tonight. And then those areas that are involved with some orange polygons on your screen. Well, those are severe thunderstorm warnings. And again, a lot of you encompassed in this activity and some pop-up showers and storms outside of those that are warned this afternoon and evening. And even going forward, this is not done yet. We have additional chances for wet weather as we go through time, but I do want to zoom in to folks closer to Richland and Ashland County right now. They have a severe thunderstorm warning. This continues for a little bit of time here. Near Ashland, though, some heavy downpours. This is just south of Bailey Lakes. And we are watching this, and the National Weather Service has been keeping an eye on this. There's been some weak rotation with this, nothing too alarming at the moment, but just something we're all keeping a close eyeball on. As we go forward, though, this little cluster of showers and storms is moving eastward at about 25 miles per hour. If this holds together and keeps its momentum and intensity, that would put it closer to Worcester at about 650. So you could expect that on your doorstep around that time. As we get a little bit closer to the lakeshore in the Cleveland metro area, this, though, has some frequent lightning attached to it, some heavy winds as well as downpours associated with everything along this line. But this cluster of showers and storms would arrive near Solon at about 6:30, 6:40 around Hudson 2. This again is wave number 1, and this is through most of our counties tonight. So Lake, Ashtabula County, you're not exempt from seeing the rainfall right now. In fact, it is coming down pretty decent from about Trumbull over to Lenox all the way down to Orwell, Ashtabula and Conneaut, continuing to see some of that heavier activity. This pushes east into the PA state line, but this has been a larger issue than just Northeast Ohio. This started way before today, all the way back out through the northern plain states. It made its way through Wisconsin. You can see all these storm reports from over the last 12 hours, Wisconsin to Michigan, all the way down to northern Indiana too, and it made its way to us. That's over 900 miles of various alerts. But the thing you've probably noticed is the wind today. We've had a very strong south wind, keeping us obviously very warm today too. Close to 90 degrees at Cleveland Hopkins. But some of those recent wind gust reports have been upwards of 50 to even 60 miles per hour. Vermilion, that's the highest one that has been clocked in Northeast Ohio so far. Obviously, we get those reports that come through as we go through the evening. Around 70 mile per hour wind gusts reported in Vermilion. We're not done yet. We have additional rain chances as we go forward. This warm front continues to lift, but we've got a cold front to catch up to. So what's just in between the two is additional wet weather that's developing just to the east of Lake Michigan right now near Kalamazoo, Michigan itself. That will make its way to us overnight. So timing it out in your National Summer on the hour forecast, I think this is where we maybe put in play the flooding risk here because of the heavier downpours. I think the severe risk becomes diminished as we go overnight, except for maybe our southern counties that have not seen the activity that our northern counties have seen. Going forward, though, heavy downpours expected yet again overnight. This is great sleeping weather if you like to sleep through some thunderstorms. Tomorrow morning, some lingering spotty showers off of this, but the clouds then tear back. We could have an isolated shower storm just thanks to the heat of the day, but we knock our temperatures back down tomorrow and your National Summer on the hour forecast. Our high temperatures tomorrow are going to be in the mid to upper 80s. We'll see more cloud cover for the first half of the day than the second half of the day. And then we turn our attention to Friday. We've got a heat advisory through the Central Plains states right now, and it has made its way to the Buckeye State. I'm expecting and anticipating a heat advisory for us on Friday. We've got a steamy one ahead of us. 92 degrees right now is our forecasted high. The record sits at 96 degrees. That was set back in 1993 at Cleveland Hopkins. I want you to be aware and have a plan in place to beat the heat as we go forward in time. Also, not only do we have another storm chance in place on top of the heat, but there's a lot that goes into this weekend. But in your Union Home Mortgage extended forecast, we end it with a little bow and everything for Sunday. Start making your plans for Sunday. It's going to be downright gorgeous, comfortable too. We work out the humidity, and I don't think folks can beat high temperatures in the mid 70s, Russ and Christy.
We'll take it while we can
We'll
get
take
it.
it. A bow. We like that.
I know, a little present for me
Little
to
gift.
you.
Thanks,
Well,
Peyton.
thank you, Peyton.
Especially after today, we need it.
I know.
Thanks.